In this guide, I'll walk you through how to get a premium account on Fancy. To begin, you'll first need to access your Fancy account, which can be done on any browser via your computer or mobile device. Visit fancy.com and log in with your credentials. It's important to note how subscriptions work on Fancy. A subscription or premium account is specific to individual creators, meaning that subscribing to one creator does not grant access to premium content from others on the platform. This structure is tailored to each creator. So if you were hoping for a universal pass, that's not how Fancy operates. To proceed, search for the creator whose content you want to view. Once you open their profile, you'll typically find details about the creator, including their subscription options. Some creators may offer discounts or promotional deals for their content. These discounts can vary based on different occasions, with plans sometimes starting as low as $5, depending on the creator's offerings. For additional updates or potential deals, it might be helpful to check the creator's other social media accounts, such as Twitter, Instagram, or TikTok, where they often announce promotions or special offers. When you're ready to subscribe, simply click on their premium option. Proceed to payment by selecting Subscribe, and you're good to go. Enjoy your premium content.